Hello everyone, welcome to DigiBytes. I am Vaibhav Gupta, your Alteryx expert, and today we are going to learn about Detour tool of Alteryx and the scenarios where it can be utilized. Then why wait? Let's start. To understand in detail that how Detour tool works, let's build a small Alteryx workflow. So I will drag in a text input tool here and add three columns. The first column will be the first name, second column will be the last name, and third column will be the salary. Let's give this one record. So let's say in the first name I will write Vaibhav, then last name as Gupta and salary as 10,000. Now what I want to do is I will drag here a D2 tool. But why? I will tell you later on. Let's just build a workflow now and focus on that. So D2 tool is available under the developer tool palette. So I will drag the D2 tool from here. Now you see D2 tool have two branches, left and right, and there is a check mark here, D2 to the right. So what these means is uh, there is an option of selecting whether left or right. So if I check right, so it will be selecting right, and if I doesn't select anything, then it will select left. So how it works and what it will do is we will see when we build the complete workflow. Now what I'm going to do is I will drag here the formula tool. Now what I want to do is with the left anchor, whenever I select the left anchor, I want to replace first name from Rahul, then last name with Sharma, and salary as 20,000. Similarly, from the right anchor, what I want to do is I want to replace the first name with Sachin, then the last name with Tendulkar, and salary as 30 lakhs. And now I will drag the Detour End tool, and here is the Detour End tool. So what I will do is I will select the anchor from the upper formula tool to the left anchor, and similarly from the bottom formula tool to right anchor. And now at the end I will just add a browse tool, although we have just one record, but just to make it easy to understand, I'm adding this browse tool. So now if you see here on the D2 tool, we have not selected this right option. And if now I run it, my output is Rahul Sharma. So Rahul was written in the upper section of the formula tool. So the data was coming from left anchor. Now if I go back and select right and again run it, this time I will see Sachin Tendulkar. You can see that the name is getting cut out. It is due to the size of the last name that has been by default selected. So maybe we can increase the size and the issue will be resolved here. So I will drag in the select tool at the beginning itself. and increase the size of the last name to 20. So if I run this time, I will see the complete name Sachin Tendulkar. And I think for the salary also, I should increase it to integer 64. And if I run this time, it will show me the values. So you see that if we selected the right anchor, the data from the right anchor was printed. And if we uncheck this, then the data from the left anchor was printed. So this is what Detour tool does. Suppose you have two scenarios of the workflow chains. So in the workflow chain, one kind of logic is written, and in the second chain, another kind of logic is written. So in that case, uh, sometimes you want to use the uh, one logic, and other time you want to use the second logic. So in that case, this Detour tool pair is quite useful. So Detour tool and Detour End tool. So these tools will really help you to control this kind of scenario where you want to execute one logic based on different scenarios and other logic based on other different scenarios. So if you see here, if I select the this anchor, then the logic from the right anchor will be executed. If I do not select it, then by default, left anchor logic will be executed. So this is how the Detour tool works, and it is very helpful for the users or the developers who want to use or develop multiple scenarios together, but execute only one at a time. If you have any doubts related to this Detour tool pair, then you can write in the comments or can even send us a mail on the email ID given in the description. Hope you like our video and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you have any doubts related to this D2 tool pair, then you can write in the comments or can even send us a mail on the email ID given in the description. Hope you like our video and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.